Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you certain tips so that you can minimize your losses in option trading. Tip number one, don't invest entire amount in one fund. Better you divide it among different funds so that even if you make loss somewhere, the other investments will be able to compensate it. Second thing, use stop loss. Okay, if you don't use stop loss, then there is a possibility you will incur maximum loss. Third, don't trade without any strategy. Okay, so have some strategy in mind and invest accordingly. Fourth, don't borrow money to invest in funds. Okay, so you need to have your own capital, then only you invest. Next tip is don't hold option for longer period because it's not like a share. For option, value will go down if you keep it for longer period. And the most important, don't trade unnecessarily. Okay, if there is a genuine information available, then you should trade. Otherwise, unnecessary, no need to trade. So guys, I hope you like this information. Please save the reel and please follow me for more updates. Thank you so